Assalamu alaikum, this is Amber Akil, unit number 1, chapter number 1, more about Windows 7. In this unit, you will learn about desktop, wallpaper and screensaver, Windows Explorer, copying and moving a file or folder, deleting a file or folder, gadgets. Before starting our topic, we should know about what does Windows stand for. Windows stand for W for wide, I for interactive, N for network, D for development for, O for office, W for work, S for solution. What is Windows 7? It is an operating system which is a program that lets you run your computer. OS stands for operating system. An operating system allows your computer to manage software and perform essential tasks, and Windows makes a computer system user-friendly by providing a graphical display and organizing information so that it can be easily accessed. Now I'm asking one question. If you have anything just like electricity, your your monitor, CPU and electrical wire and the accessories means keyboard, mouse, everything you have. How can you, if you plug in computer in the socket and you want to start your computer, how can you start? You cannot start your computer without the Windows without downloading the Windows, because if you have anything and no have Windows downloaded window, you cannot run your computer. So this is the essential operating system that you want to perform your software and manage anything in your computer. Without it, you cannot use your computer. Okay. Types of OS. OS means operating system, and you have learned about you have already know multi-user operating system and single user operating system in class 3. So we have just recall it. Multi-user. A multi-user operating system allows for multiple users to use the same computer at the same time and different times. The example of multi-user operating system are Unix, Linux, iOS. These are the icons of Unix, Linux and iOS. Single user operating system. An operating system that allows a single user to perform only one task at a time is called a single task operating system. These are the example of single user operating system. Windows XP, this is the icon of Windows XP. MacOS, Windows 7, icon of Windows 7 and Windows 8. Now come to our topic. This is desktop. After loading the Windows, what you see, the first screen that you see after the Windows software has loaded is called the desktop. The desktop is a system of organization of icons on a screen. The desktop contains small pictures that have names such as computer and recycle bin. These small icons are called small pictures are called icons. The icons represent different programs, files or folder. So this is a picture of desktop. Here on the left hand side is the desktop icons, and the small arrow you are seeing on the picture, this is the mouse pointer, and the left hand side, this is the start button. This is the quick launcher. You have seen in the taskbar the long horizontal bar on the desktop, the called taskbar, and on the right hand side on the taskbar, this is notification area. Okay, now we have to talk about the small icons you have seen in the on the desktop. A folder. What is folder? A folder is a container that helps you organize your files, or on the other word we can say that a group of files can be saved in a folder. The taskbar is a horizontal bar at the bottom of the screen. The start button is your launching point when you want to communicate with your computer. The notification area at the right side of the taskbar contains icons that represent informational messages and programs. This is computer window. Whatever is stored on your computer is accessible from the icon called computer. This is a small icon. This is computer, and this is a computer window. You have seen here hard disk drive, local disk area, removable drive, and DVD ROM or CD drive. And this is local disk C. This icon shows that your computer has a hard disk drive C, which contains hard disk to store and access data. Now DVD or CD drive. This icon shows that your computer has a DVD ROM drive installed. You can insert a CD or a DVD and see its contents by double clicking these icons. Okay. Now, I hope you have know about the Windows 7, the multi-user operating system and single user operating system, and you know about um, desktop and the icons and the folders and the computer window which has DVD drive and C drive. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.